Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I have an amazing emergency radio that is everything I needed it to be. Get ready to be blown away because this little emergency radio does everything. I keep finding things on it that I didn't know it did, and I'm surprised. I absolutely love this thing. I think the thing I love most about it is that it makes me feel secure. If our electric ever goes out, I know that we've got this as a backup. It's got so many different features and it's waterproof and Bluetooth. So if you just want to relax in the pool with it, you can do that. So let's see some of these features. It has two flashlights, one under the solar panel and then a huge flashlight on the front of it. It also has this antenna. You can get up to 7 different weather channels on it, emergency weather channels. It also has AM and FM radio on it. You hold the power button and it comes on. And then you can maneuver through it to get the channel that you want or get it on Bluetooth. It also has an SOS siren on the bottom of it. You hold that and it'll charge your cell phone or anything else you want to charge for that matter. Here's how you crank it up. And when I tell you that I'm just skimming the surface of all of the different features that this thing has, I'm being honest. I love that when you crank it or when you put it in the sunshine, the power light comes on to let you know that it's powering up. It also has a compass and it is absolutely wonderful. So here's the little Bluetooth feature. I hooked it so easily to my phone. It was a matter of moments before it was connected and the sound is actually really good. So I like that feature because I can sit it out on my porch and just lounge in the pool and I've got some good music to lounge by. So that's wonderful. This emergency radio goes beyond my expectations. It does absolutely everything that I needed and more. And that's my point of view.